My name is Robert. I'll be your conductor for this trip. There is no eating, drinking, smoking, or vaping at any time. Please remain seated at all times and keep your hands and feet inside the coaches at all times. Thank you. Next stop, Hometown Square.
Hey guys, good news about the train. I noticed I was coming to County Fair. There's not 3 trains anymore. There's 4 trains, and I'm here on the last train at Bats. And yeah, I forgot to put out my last time I took a train trip. There's new benches now, much more comfortable. Now, I didn't know it was true. They didn't make people get off here at County Fair that got on at Hometown Square Station. I noticed that. I'm like, wait, they're not making people get off in this. So yeah, now you got the luxury of taking a round trip. But maybe that has something to do with the fact that this is not packed. Like, I have a couple empty rows in front of me. And maybe that's why it's not making people get off.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Great America Scenic Railway. As we leave the County Fair Station, our next destination is Hometown Square. Six Flags Great America is excited to provide you with amazing thrills and memories during your visit today. Want to extend these thrills all season long?
Oh, there's a Yankee boat back there. I'm not the county dead.
To upgrade your paid admission to a season pass, which includes admission to Hurricane Harbor Chicago and Hurricane Harbor Rockford.
I run Rockford once a year.
That can include free drinks all year, preferred parking, skip the line passes, and up to 50% off most food and retail items. And a Six Flags membership is for you. Our team members and member services can guide you in the right direction for the best membership to fit your needs. Speaking of food, who doesn't love a good theme park meal? You can choose to have hand-breaded chicken tenders from Strutters, a Rockets double meal from Johnny Rockets, or a quesadilla at Fiesta Fries. Can't figure out what you have a taste for? Then stop by the County Fair Food Court where we offer burgers, pizza, tacos, orange chicken, and much more. Bring more shopping to the County Fair Food Court is the place to dine. You can't end your day at Great America without having the world's best funnel cake sundae, which are conveniently available at 3 locations. To the left is the American Eagle, which is celebrating its 40th anniversary. Riders love the classic Outback layout with airtight hills along the way. County Fair is home to Kidsopolis. Here you will find 5 rides the whole family can enjoy. Also in County Fair is Daredevil Dive. For an additional fee, flyers experience a cross between hang gliding and skydiving. Flyers are launched from a 120-foot tower, swoop down at 60 miles per hour within 6 feet of the ground.
Now open today.
Arch out over the park. There is just nothing like it. Towering above us to the right is X-Flight. This revolutionary open-air wing coaster soars with no track above or below you. From the makers of Batman The Ride, Raging Bull, and Superman Ultimate Flight, X-Flight takes to the skies and drops brave passengers 12 stories head over heels as they plunge back down towards the earth, maneuvering 5 inversions, 3,000 feet of twisted steel track, and 2 extreme fly-through keyhole elements. Coming up on the left is Metropolis Plaza. Here you can challenge Justice League, battle for Metropolis. This adventure features state-of-the-art technology, high-tech video graphics, and full sensory gaming experience that puts you right in the middle of the action. After wandering the unbelievable 22,000 square foot Hall of Justice, you'll board your unique, twisting 6-passenger vehicle. Armed with a laser stun gun, you'll travel through a series of incredible scenes around the city of Metropolis, interacting with lifelike animatronic characters, 3D animated images, and 4D experiences like fire and fog to save your favorite superheroes from the evil villain. also features one of the first ever virtual loops and real-time painting elements to compete against other riders. In Southwest Territory, you can tackle our tallest and longest speed coaster, Raging Bull. This ferocious beast features a towering 200-foot lift hill and 65-degree first drop that plunges riders into an underground cavern at more than 70 miles per hour. Sideless cars and horizontal loops will help deliver a breathtaking 2.5-minute ride. Did you know that the water park is free for members and Great America Season Pass holders? Six Flags Hurricane Harbor Chicago is a 20-acre Caribbean-themed tropical getaway right here in your own backyard, packed with refreshing water attractions for guests of all ages. Hurricane Harbor includes over 30 exhilarating water slides, a meandering river adventure, Hurricane Bay, a 500,000-gallon wave pool that features waves over 4 feet tall, and the Tornado, which gives you the thrill of a coaster combined with the chill of a water slide.
How's your sauce going,
water
Ethan?
slides, and an erupting volcano. Kids young and old will love the climbing, sliding, splashing, and soaking fun of Hurricane Harbor's star attraction, Skull Island, one of the largest interactive water playgrounds in the world. Be sure to check out Riptide Bay, home to our newest attractions, including the world record-breaking water coaster, Tsunami Surge. This innovative new water coaster is the tallest
I've been wondering where they keep
at a height of
this thing.
86 feet.
I
Reaching
found
top
it.
speed of 28 miles per hour through over 950 feet of enclosed tunnels and open-air
That
slides.
plays Southwest. I guess not this year.
Breathtaking drops. One of the park's most iconic family favorites, Wizard, can be seen zooming through the trees to your right. The Wizard, an original Great America ride, is the last electric spiral lift roller coaster left in the country.
I'm not gonna do that with
Do
the plane
you like
moving.
speed? Can you handle going upside down?
Yeah.
You need to challenge Max Force. Once aboard this race car, you are treated to the fastest launch in all of North America, the tallest double inversion in the world.
Oh, that was good. Sunday off ice and bike while I got border passes. Oh, that was cool.
0 to 78 miles per hour. In under 2 seconds, will even scare the adrenaline junkies among us. We are now approaching Old Town Square. Please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. Thank you for riding the Great America Scenic Railway, and thank you for visiting Six Flags Great America. On behalf of Six Flags Great America, we want to thank you for being a part of our history, and we look forward to providing you with new thrills and family memories for years to come. Enjoy the rest of your day here at Great America.
Go down the water post. I bought twice to be open. You gonna go down? Maybe not. You go down, I can't tell. Oh no, look at the one from Max. I might pass on that one today.
It's a time to live and learn, to grow up and take your turn. There's
I don't think I'm gonna get the walk, I'll sit down it.
when your life can be whatever you want. Great America, maybe a great day is just what you need this year.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we approach Hometown Square, we just ask that you please remain seated until the engineer blows the whistle to give all clear to exit the train, please. Please stay seated. Okay, you may now exit the train. Thank you. Have a great day at Six Flags Great America.
And I don't have to go off. They're not making me get off like a couple of weeks ago when they first opened the train. It's an option do I get off now or do I want to stay on. I think it might have something to do with the fact on how crowded or empty the park is overall, because there's a lot of empty rows if you saw at the beginning of the video. Why do I need off? And there's not 3 trains anymore. There's now 4 cars on one train, which makes it feel even more like more now than before. Okay. See you in a moment for part 2.